Hello Sir Alec, kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So ito sir, unboxing and testing natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The Umarex Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so ayan sir. Pasensya na, medyo na-delay. Problem lang. Okay, so ayan sir. Unit, no? Okay, so ayan, kompleto naman. Ito yung Allen wrench, ito yung manual and safety precautions guide. Okay? Ayan, Umarex. Okay? So ayan. So for the unit, okay, so ayan. Removing the magazine. So ayan siya sir. Kikita mo naman yung mga markings, no? Ayan, Glock. Tapos yan. So, may nakasulat dito, official product of Glock. Official license product of Glock. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Bago talaga yan, sir. Ayan, makikita mo, pag sa 17 kasi wala dapat gas-gas. Pero, hindi ko lang alam. Basta so far, lahat ng dumadating sa akin ganyan. Walang scratches. So, okay. So, yan. Okay, so yung magazine, ayan, makikita mo. No? So wala rin siya nung parang that. Pero pag tinesting natin, magkakaroon. Okay. Kaya, pinakita ko na sir. Okay, so ngayon, lagyan natin ng bala. 2, 4, 6. Okay. Lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. Buksan ang chronograph. Okay. So, yun na. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay. Always be mindful where the muzzle is pointed. And always remember or be mindful where your finger is. Okay. So, yun yung basic safety. Okay. So, yeah. Pasok natin. Right. So, kasan natin. Okay, firing. Solid. 322.5. 318.4. 318.6. 317.0. 315.3, 316.1. Okay, so yung blowback, wala problema, solid na solid as usual. Okay, so yan, nag-open chamber siya, removing the magazine, wala ng bala. So ito yung sinasabi ko, nagkaroon na ng parang, medyo natanggal yung paint, no? So ayan, so normal yan. Okay, so another thing is, baka newbie kayo, baka tanongin nyo in the future kung gumagalaw ba talaga yan. Okay, gumagalaw yan. Same yan sa normal na baril, ganyan din yung normal na baril. Kasi talaga, parang umaatras yan, bumababa yan eh. Para pag maglalagay ka ng bala, umaakyat. Parang gano'n. Okay? So, yan yan. Hammer down. Okay? So, ayun Sir Alec, okay na tong unit mo. So, ipapako na siya and then papadala ko na siya sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.